Hi, I'm Dave, and this is DG Overlanding, Klipspringerkloof Bush Camp. It's situated just outside of Lefokeng. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. That'll be fantastic. Thank you very much. Right, so here's the entrance to Klipspringerkloof. When you book, they'll let you know the procedure for the gate. There is something that you have to do, but if it's a problem, the owner can always let you in. This is the entrance into the campsite itself. There is a 7-kilometer dirt road, but it's a very, very good dirt road. It had just been graded when we drove on it. They have a swimming pool, really nice pool, super clean as well. There's a little shop. It's over here. They do sell wood, ice creams, a couple of other little goodies. It's an honesty kind of shop. You take what you need and you write down in a book. So this side here is a paved site. So there's brick paving. Each site also has a lovely braai area. There's a braai. There's a fire pit. So here's the fire pit and the braai. Very nice braai. And the fire pit has a drum over the top that you put over the fire when you go to sleep, so it doesn't damage the bush veld if there's a wind that comes up. Everything is really nice and neat, clean, tidy. And they also have two more sites. They're newer ones, but these ones have their own plunge pool, and the plunge pool is heated with like a donkey boiler, so they're very nice. Now this is the back of the site. These are bigger sites as well, so you can fit really a nice big caravan on here. So this again is the private ablution. This one outside here is the sink, the wash up. There's the braai and the fire pit. This is the splash pool, private splash pool for the site. This is the donkey boiler to heat the water for the splash pool. There we go. Light the fire in there and it heats the water. Just a path going from the site to the shop and the big swimming pool. We also have benches around. There's a lot of bird life, and there is some bird feeders in the trees, so it's very good. There's some shade around, so you do get shade. Mostly at midday there's sun just shining on the sites, but that's because of the kind of trees that are here. But there's morning shade and afternoon shade, and most of the braai areas have shade on them as well. You can move around there during the day. And this is a gravel site, so they have the option of either the gravel or the paved sites. If you log on to their website, you can see a layout of the camp, so you can basically choose which site you'd like to go in before you come and tell the owner, and I'll keep that for you if it's available. All the sites also have a rubbish bin, which is cleaned daily. They also clean the braai area daily, which is very nice. Now this is where we are camping. From our site we have this little walkway to our private ablution. It's got a dishwashing area that side, and then in here is our private ablution. Shower. So there's the toilet, wash hand basin, and the shower, which is a really nice shower. Nice big shower. So that's everything you need. Also have this extractor fan here, so you can turn it on when you're showering. Keeps the room a bit cooler. Right, so here's a water hole right outside the campsite. You can see it, well, we can see it from our side. So it's really nice. You can sit at your campsite if you're on this side of Klipspringerkloof Bush Camp and watch the animals. Right, so that goes down to the campsites down that way, and then we're going to go down this dirt road. We're just leaving now. Pretty good dirt road. It's about 7 kilometers. Shouldn't have a problem with a normal caravan. So, DG Overlanding. I hope you've enjoyed our Klipspringerkloof Bush Camp just outside Lefokeng. Please subscribe to our channel. That's DG Overlanding. It's the one you're watching now. Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Dave and this is DG Overlanding. Lefokeng Bush Camp is in the Lefokeng Big 5 Game Reserve, so it's pretty close to Johannesburg and even closer to Pretoria. Right, so the site we're staying in is called Buffalo, and it has a private ablution. This is the wash-up area, double sink, hot water from a gas geyser, and there's a little area here to put the dishes once you've washed up. And then behind this door is the toilet and the shower. So this is the toilet and the shower, and a big door at the end. So there's a little stool. There's the toilet, normal flush toilet, septic tank of course. And on this side is the basin. Toilet rolls provided. Just lekker. There's a lovely mirror. And there's a little story here also about the buffalo in Lefokeng. Shower, hot and cold water, hot water from a gas geyser and a lovely shower head. And the bottom there. And one nice thing is that these here are doors. So these doors will open up and then you like showering outdoors. Right, there the doors are opening up. And then you're showering in nature. Isn't that wonderful? You can have an outdoor shower while you're indoors. Alright, so here's the swimming pool at Lefokeng Bush Camp. Must say it's very nice here. It's stunning actually. Really, really nice. Look at that lovely clean pool. Nice area there to sit in the shade. There's also two nice recliners here, so you can recline in front of the pool. So when you get to your campsite on the first night, there's a complimentary bag of wood. But you can buy more wood here. It's 30 Rand a bundle. And you can also get ice. 15 Rand. So ice, you have to just phone the owner and he will deliver to the site. So they have both private ablution sites and communal ablution sites. This is one of the communal ablution sites. Really big. There's a nice braai area. So there's a nice path. It goes down to the ablutions. So if you're in one of those communal ablution stands, this is the path that goes down to the ablution block. So here's the other end of that pathway that we saw on the other side. Right, just over there is the swimming pool on the right hand side. Lovely pool. We just had a swim. Super duper. And this in front of me here is the ablution block for the communal ablution site. Right, DG Overlanding. Thank you for watching Lefokeng Bush Camp. It's in the Lefokeng Big 5 Game Reserve. Please subscribe to our channel. That's DG Overlanding. And till next time, thanks so much. Cheers. Bye.